Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to set up your Cookidoo on your brand new TM6. So this is a brand new TM6. We've switched it on and now we have to choose our language. So obviously you choose the language that works for you, but I will choose English and then I go next, and then you choose your country. So we are in South Africa, so we're going to choose South Africa and then we're going to go next. And then here we have to connect to the internet just to make sure that we're able to access our Cookidoo. So now I've connected successfully to our Wi-Fi. We can go next again. And now this is the part that is very important that we can't skip. We have to log into our Cookidoo account. So here you would have already created an account on your phone, maybe using the app or using the Cookidoo website. So you can use the international website for South Africa. You take those exact login details, you use them on your Thermomix. So here we've already logged into our Cookidoo account as per our login details that we created on our app. And then we go next. So here we just have safety instructions. Obviously, if you're new at Thermomix, you have to read these and understand them, but I'm just gonna skip them because I've seen them enough times. So finally we're here. So here you'll see a pop-up message. This is when you are new to your Cookidoo. It'll say start your 3-month Cookidoo free trial. You can skip the step and do it later, but you have to eventually do it. Otherwise, you forfeit your 3 months Cookidoo free trial. So I'm gonna do it now by clicking on the pop-up. It's gonna take a bit of time to load. There we go. So once you get to the screen, you have a QR code which you have to use to scan on your phone. This will then take you directly to the Cookidoo website where you can then now activate your 3-month free. So here you're going to need your phone to scan the QR code, and as you can see, the Cookidoo website comes up. You go to show options and then you open in your browser. It takes you straight to the website, and then you have to fill in your details. So you'll have your names here, you'll have your address here, postal code, and then you click continue. Once you continue to the next step, it will then show you to add in your billing details. You add your billing details and these will be recorded against your account. You will not be billed immediately. You will be billed as soon as your 3-month free expires. So they just keep your details so that it's easier for your subscription to be renewed as soon as it expires. So that's the step, and then we're done. Your Cookidoo 3 months free is activated and you can start cooking. Yeah.